Welcome to today's workshop, Discover and Prepare for Flexible Careers with Google Tools. My name is Kate Angelo, and I'm the Community Engagement Librarian and Manager of the Technology and Career Center at the Long Branch Public Library. Whether you want to enter or return to the workforce, pick up some side work, or start a new business, knowing where to start can be intimidating. There's a lot to do, like search for job opportunities, explore career sites, write a resume, create a business plan, advertise a business. In today's workshop, we're going to discuss Google resources available to help you prepare for your next job or business. Lastly, if you learned something new or want to share out these free resources I'm about to talk about, I encourage you to share on social media using the hashtag #GrowWithGoogle. I'll review job search on Google, including a new feature that allows you to search for remote job posts. Then I'll cover two resources from Google, Google Primer and Applied Digital Skills. Before I get started, I want to take a moment to provide a background of the Grow with Google program. In 2017, Google launched Grow with Google, an initiative to help people across the U.S. grow their skills, careers, and businesses by providing the best of Google's training and tools. Grow with Google hosts free digital skills workshops in libraries across the U.S. to help provide access to education and resources that Google has in place for teachers and students, local businesses, job seekers, and developers. Grow with Google also launched a series of features designed specifically to enhance economic opportunity for transitioning military personnel, military spouses, and veterans. Right now, military spouses move 10 times more than their civilian counterparts. Moves between duty stations can impact careers and at times force military spouses to have to quit jobs or face long periods of unemployment between moves. Currently, the unemployment rate for military spouses is at least 16%. This is a decline from 23% in 2015. However, 70% of employed military spouses do not believe their education or work experience is being fully utilized at their current job. While there's no easy way to solve this, Google wants to help build military spouses build flexible careers wherever they are. This takes us to the first topic on our agenda, where we'll explore job search features built right into Google Search. Why take on the issue of job search? At Google, they understand that matching job seekers to the right employers and right jobs can be problematic. It can be difficult at times finding jobs that are tailored to a person's individual skill set. Job searching is like dating. It's an effective matching problem between two or more parties, but instead it's a job seeker trying to be matched with one or more employers. There's so many jobs that can be done remotely now, they're just not easy to find. Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it easily accessible. Remote jobs are no different. It's a continuation of adding access and visibility to information that can improve people's lives. Based on a recent Google consumer survey, we know that 31% of job seekers are interested in a specific company or type of job. However, an overwhelming 69% don't know what type of job they want or care what type of job they get, so long as they are provided with a job offer. So where does Google fit into solving this problem, and how can we help guide the 69% of job seekers on a path to identify jobs aligned with the best job roles for them? You start a job search. To start your job search, sign into your Google account. It's best to log in so you can save your job searches and come back to them later. However, this is optional. You can search jobs without logging in. So to log in, you go to the Google search homepage, then sign in using your Gmail address and password. If you don't have a Google account, you can still try out most of what we're talking about today. And if you'd like to create a free Google account, you can choose Create Account and input the appropriate information. To start a job search, type a query about the kind of jobs you're looking for in the search bar. You may want to use terms like jobs near me, recruitment jobs, retail jobs in Long Branch, or IT jobs in Eatontown, for example. Add search terms that work for you and your job search. If you're not sure what kind of job you're looking for, don't worry. I'll review some features to help you narrow down the list. To make searching for jobs easier, Google finds listings from all over the internet and collects them in one search result. Your search may have returned lots of jobs. To get more specific results, you may want to choose a filter. You can filter your job search by job title, location, the date the job was posted, the type of job, or the employer. Select a job that matches your needs. Read through the job description. If you think you might want to apply for the position, but don't want to do it right now, click Save. This bookmarks the listing so you don't have to search for it again later. At the top of the jobs listing is a tab called Saved. Click this tab to see all the jobs you've saved in the past. When you want to view your list, click Saved. This shows all the jobs you've saved in one list without the other jobs you're not interested in. It's important to check job listings frequently so you don't miss out on opportunities. Employers post new job openings all the time and not on a specific schedule. Performing an internet search every day and sorting through it to find new jobs can consume your time that you could be using to write your resume or prepare for interviews. To save time when searching for job listings, set up email alerts. When you set an alert, you'll automatically receive an email about new listings that match your search criteria. To receive these emails about your job search, on the lower left of your screen, turn on alerts by clicking that the alerts are on for this search button. A feature that has just launched in response to the need for military spouses and others needing the flexibility to work remotely is the new Work from Home filter. This feature allows you to narrow down your job search to show only roles that allow you to work remotely. So no matter how often you have to move, you do not need to worry about that move causing job displacement. To do this, click on Location, then select Work from Home. Once you've filtered your job search, you can click on a job post that interests you, and you will see a snapshot of jobs that meet your search criteria appear on the Google search page. Click a result or click Explore Jobs to look at the full list. Now I want to give you some time to continue searching for job posts that align with the type of role you are looking for. So let's take a few minutes to complete the following tasks. Perform a job search, filter results for relevant jobs, save jobs that interest you, set up an alert. You can pause this workshop and do this now, or come back at the end and practice then. Now that you've seen how you can look for a new job, Google also wants to help you prepare for that job. One of the tools to help you is Google Primer. It has short, fun business and marketing lessons. You can use it on the go and get personalized next steps. On top of the 200 plus lessons, Google also created 2 custom-made playlists of lessons especially for military spouses to help you find remote work or even start your own business. Under remote work, you'll find lessons like preparing for and finding remote work, collaborating while working remotely and productively. And under starting your business are finding a business idea, writing a business plan, budgeting, building a website, manufacturing and packaging, getting found on Google Maps, and social media and online advertising. And Next, we have 3 tips to start a business or work remotely. First, make a plan. This includes what kind of job do I want? What activities or responsibilities do I enjoy? If you were struggling before when trying the job search and had to set filters to find jobs, think about these things more. Figuring out what you want takes time. Do you like working for someone else, or do you want to be your own boss? If you're looking at remote work, market yourself and your skills and experiences to convince a future employer you'll be a great employee even remotely, and highlight these skills on your resume. Second, whether you decide to work remotely or start your own business, it's important to have a place and time to work. Set fixed hours and a physical space where you're able to work without distractions. That includes family. Having this set context tricks your brain so it knows that when you're there, you're working, even if it's in your home. And 3, whichever path you choose, you hope to succeed. So first, you need to define what that means so you know you're getting there. Set large and small goals so you have little moments of accomplishment throughout your day and week. Make them concrete. I will apply for 3 jobs by Monday, or I will start building my website by Wednesday. This way you feel accomplishment throughout your day and week, and don't forget to celebrate them. Okay, let's go through the steps to download the Primer app. On your mobile device, go to g.co/primer/GWGUS. You may receive an alert that says this page will open in another app. Go ahead and click Open. This directs you to the app in your preferred app store. Once the app is downloaded, open it and you'll be asked to sign in with your email address. Then select the topics you're interested in learning. Once you're signed in and have selected the topics of learning that interest you, have a look at the 2 mini courses that were made especially for military spouses. Tap the magnifying glass icon on the top left corner. Type in a search for MIL spouse, M-I-L spouse. If you're interested in lessons on preparing or transitioning to remote work, or MIL spouse biz, B-I-Z, if you're interested in lessons to help start a new business. Your search result will provide you with lessons relevant to your interest. Now click on a lesson that sparks your interest and take a few minutes to scan through the lesson. An additional resource available to help develop career and business skills is Applied Digital Skills. Applied Digital Skills is a free, video-based, and online curriculum that prepares learners of all ages for the growing number of jobs that require basic digital skills. Lessons run the gamut, and I encourage you to look at the full curriculum to find lessons that best align with your goals. While the Applied Digital Skills are modular, or designed to be flexible so people can pick and choose just the ones they want, there is a series of lessons available to help people that want to earn their G Suite certification. The G Suite is the collection of online free digital applications made by Google to help people communicate and get things done. It includes workplace programs such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Gmail, etc. You can take lessons in Applied Digital Skills to help you prepare for the exam. The exam does cost $75. If you pass, the certification is good for 2 years. It's a great way to help upgrade your resume for office jobs, and you can do it all online and at your own pace. Let's go to the link on the slide where you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you will be prompted to select whether you are a student or a teacher. Select Student. After that, you're ready to start using the curriculum. Browse the lessons and choose the ones that fit your needs. The curriculum section of the website features descriptions of all the lessons, including the time required and the skills that are taught. Whether you are a remote employee, self-employed, or work for companies with teams all over the map, ensuring you're equipped with the tools to be a great collaborator is paramount. Tools like Google Calendar, Hangouts, Docs, and Gmail help people work together effectively and accomplish tasks, regardless of whether or not you're in the same physical location. Lessons like Connect and Collaborate Anywhere with Digital Tools are available through Applied Digital Skills to provide you with the practical skills needed to improve communication and increase collaboration. In this lesson, you'll be guided through hands-on activities to help you leverage Google applications in the G Suite, including video conferencing, Docs, and Google Drive. I'm going to show you some examples of lessons with certain Google apps. First is Hangouts. You use Google Hangouts you can teach your new digital skill. You can navigate to Gmail, open chat, find a contact, send a message, and practice changing chat settings. In Google Docs, create and title a new document, type a few lines, add a comment, practice adding someone to the comment and sharing with them, edit the comment, and delete it. And in Google Sheets, create and title a new spreadsheet, type a few lines, add a comment, practice adding someone to the comment and sharing with them, edit the comment, and delete it. Okay, I've covered a lot today, but hopefully you feel good about the resources I've introduced to help you prepare for the next step in your career or business launch. Let's look at your next steps. Continue using Google Job Search features. Remember, you can filter for work from home positions. Use the Google Primer app to help prepare for working remotely or starting a business. And use Applied Digital Skills to help to build practice skills for solving real-world problems. To help with these steps, Google launched a couple of tools to help transitioning veterans, like the MOS Code Job Search. By entering their Military Occupational Specialty, or MOS code, using Job Search on Google, veterans can find civilian job opportunities which require similar skills to those used in their military roles. This capability will also be available for employers and job boards through Cloud Job Discovery API. After today's workshop, I encourage you to visit the Grow with Google website, google.com/grow, for access to all of the resources I discussed today and more. They offer a wide range of resources, not only for individuals looking for career advancement or to start a business, but also for teachers, students, startups, and developers. Teachers can learn how to put the latest technology to work inside and outside of the classroom. Startups can learn how to get their ideas the exposure they need to succeed. And developers can sharpen their current skills and master new ones. On behalf of the Long Branch Public Library, I want to thank you so much for joining the workshop today. And remember, library staff, myself, and others are always available if you have any questions about anything that's discussed in any of the workshops, or if you need assistance with your job search or career steps or anything like that. So thank you very much. We'll see you next time.